Hello Mohammed, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, representing a personal video for you for this 2014 Tesla. The model is the P85S and the kilometers is 101,906 and the price is 51,888 plus the existing licensing. This vehicle, the Carfax is very clean, no accidents and no links, and it's been serviced properly. Green outside color, beige interior, and you could reach 400 hours for riding. Big screen, and you could manage as easy. So you could put a menu here and just come on down. You could take a look all the features of the vehicle. Power sunroof, power lift gate. The wheels are upgrade wheels. It's 19-inch wheels, and it's available. As I said to you, we just find out this you have a lifetime charge. They don't have a supercharge at this time, and as you know, no autopilot. So if you have some time, please come take a look and bring me your trade. See if we can work some numbers, and we take it from there. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.